Have you ever noticed the stimuli, or cue, your body sends when it's time to sleep? Well, many of us don't pay attention, but this time, let's follow the cues. You yawn, and you know that you need rest. It's time to sleep. So what are the apparent reactions? Let us guess. You ignore this signal straightforwardly and indulge in other activities, like scrolling your cell phone or watching TV. Once you finish yawning, you again making that PowerPoint for tomorrow's presentation at work. So if you are someone who considers sleep as a non-productive period, this is what you should know. This is Earthy Perks, with a new episode to reveal the significance of healthy sleep and how it can impact your daily life. Your bed is your peace kingdom, and that should not disrupt with distractions. It rules with tranquility and calmness, while the intruders, like laptops, mobile phones, or TVs, can snatch off all that sanctuary. A night of good and healthy sleep means a healthy you. According to scientific research presented in the medical journal The Lancet, it was observed that the doctors awake for over 24 hours made 20% more mistakes. Why? It is how the human body reacts when you try to force it beyond its capacity. Do you think that sleeping would make you lazy? Else your brain would get lethargic and less productive? Then it's time to change your perspectives. You are not observing the effects when you are sleep deprived. Trust us on this. One sleep-deprived night can impact on next day. You will be slower at work and on chores. Your thinking and analyzing powers would be less as compared to other days. So here is a thumb rule. You sleep less, you get less productive, and you achieve less. How this sleep deprivation can affect your brain? When you do not fulfill that 9-hour criterion of sleep, your body's sole energy provider, i.e. glucose, is reduced. Here, glucose is the only food to your brain. It is an essential carbohydrate that powers gray matter. Once the glucose levels down, parts like the parietal lobe and prefrontal cortex suffer the most. And guess what? These are the regions involved in problem solving and critical thinking. Statistically, if you are awake for 24 hours, the glucose level will drop by 12 to 14%. Not just the brain. Instead, sleep deprivation has its adverse effects on the whole physical and physiological makeup of your body. Hence, sleep is an essential restorative state that fuels your body and maintains overall well-being. Consider a machine in its restorative state after a long production time. In this state, it will be rehabilitated and prepared for the next working loop. The same goes for the human body. In a state of sleep, your body controls and rules out stress, restoring the essential physiological mechanisms and a lot more. You would be amazed to know that all your weight loss efforts are hidden in your sleep patterns. Your sleep is controlling your memory. So, sleeping less is not going to benefit you in any way. You are not sleeping for a whole night because you have an exam tomorrow morning or a work presentation? Believe it or not, but the body will get drained of all your willpower. Every cell of your body would be under stress. Result? You would be low on energy even before the day starts. Low on motivation, low on thinking capability, and low on making appropriate actions. For a good night's sleep, you need to rule out all distractions. Earthy Perks and Klarnia bring up an exciting offer. As a subscriber, tune to Klarnia.com to approach the world's classy home decor canvas wall art prints and get a flat $30 discount on health wall art. Use code Earthy Perks to avail of the deal.